What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be playing Car Dealership Tycoon, also known as CDT. And if I didn't get the new car, sorry about that. I feel sorry for you.
Dude, quit, sis. That's the right one.
Just send you an invite.
That's the right one.
To what?
Just look at it.
Bye. I didn't get none.
I have no way to.
He invited you for this. To be on my kids' messenger.
I already have you on my kids' messenger. On Messenger, dude.
But I don't have you.
I have you.
Well, I don't have you. Daddy, don't let them go in the picture.
I just sit there with the
Please.
I already have you.
Just do what that said.
I already have you on my messenger.
Well, I don't have you.
right here, let me see the song.
I already have her. I don't check. Yeah. I already have her.
Dad wants to see it. Dad wants to see it, Daddy.
I already have you. I don't check.
He said that you weren't eating.
I checked it when I went to go Florida days.
Well, you're probably lying.
No, I'm not.
So, Dad, if you're lying, you're not.
I already have you.
Alright, shut up about it.
I don't have you. And how doesn't have me?
What's the matter, Barney?
I swallowed my gum.
What's good, sis?
Tonight on the Summer of Me, it's the Beverly Hillbillies, followed by Green Acres and Hogan's Heroes. That's on the way on
What is it?
Miss Steve.
Oh. Mommy said.
I have you, okay?
So it's never been easier to get a
Well,
great
you
grill
still
for
have
your like a Traeger wood pellet grill, a Weber gas grill, or a big green egg charcoal grill.
Here, add you on mine. Add you on mine.
The new Oreo Brookie Blizzard at DQ. Oreo pieces, brownie, and cookie doing the most. The perfect treat for when you're doing the least.
You have to put the code in.
Right now, look. We were enjoying the moment with the Oreo Brookie Blizzard. Get it now, only at DQ. Have a taste good. With Allegra, allergies don't hold us back. Allegra starts working 2 times faster than Claritin. And unlike Zyrtec, it won't make us drowsy, so you can live your greatness. And Allegra Hives works from the inside to relieve itching and reduce hives for 24 hours.
Hi, Grandma. I played baseball today. Oh, that's great.
What? Do you listen to the TV on high volume or have trouble hearing conversations?
Your phone
Then
screen.
you benefit from hearing aids. Don't waste
I know
thousands
that I
of
have you on
hearing aids
mine.
when you can get Nano's revolutionary technology for just $297. Don't be fooled by higher priced hearing aids. The CIC Recharge is a true hearing aid. Rechargeable technology many customers say is superior to more expensive aids. Get not one, but 2 Nano hearing aids for just $297. Plus, we'll have your recharging case and ship your order absolutely free. The CIC Recharge has a tiny in-the-ear canal design that is clearly invisible. Missing out on important conversations or waste thousands of dollars. Calling your 2 CIC Recharge hearing aids for only
I'm at gas stations.
crayons. I want to color one piece of little black. And
What?
don't get ready some pencils or some crayons. I want to color one each of us. Yeah, look. Look. Go upstairs in Daddy's room beside the bed and get me some flame of pencils.
You mean jumping?
Yeah, gel pens. And bring me a book. And you better quit twerking or I'm going to twerk your butt.
Hey, I twerked when I was a baby.
Well, yeah, that's when you're a baby. It's cute when you're a baby.
Let me see that butt.
No.
Go do what was said.
Featuring Mike Farrell's memorable MASH character.
Turn around.
At 6/5 Central
Turn around.
TV.
Go upstairs, Ross.
It is the perfect entertainment for day and night. During the day,
Everyone please
it's a
subscribe,
great
try to hit
juicy
5
courtroom
subscribers
drama. And
by
at
the end of
night,
this
it's
month.
a perfect spooky murder mystery. Weekday
Or
mornings at
next
9, 8
month.
Central.
Alright.
And weeknights at 11:30, 10:30 Central on
I'm
MeTV.
tired. And the car I'm driving is a McLaren something. But in the game it's called an MC Racer OTC. If I didn't get a chance to get the burger car, because it was in an event where you had to collect burgers or something. But yeah. Crazy hamburger! Comment down below what is your favorite car in the game. That is all for today. See y'all later.